Multipress has a unique design that allows effective injection of dentures from any material. Welcome to the presentation of Multipress injection machine. I will show you what kind of advantages make Multipress stand out from others. Multipress is the only injection machine capable of supplying pressure up to 10 bar. This is possible thanks to the special design of the actuator and the reinforced structure of the device. As a result, Multipress has an injection force that is 30% greater than the device of competitors. Why is the power so important? It's simple. The weaker the injection machine, the higher the risk of unsuccessful injection. When you need to make a complex denture and you want to use a demanding material with high density, or if you are a technician who starts working with thermoplasts and you are inexperienced, then the high power of Multipress will help you get a successful injection. Weaker injection machines may not have enough force to be successful with difficult cases, resulting in making a duplicate of the denture. Of course, you don't need to use the full power of the device in everyday work. Multipress enables effective injection from pressure of 5 bar, and you can use any compressor or compressed air cylinder to power it. You don't need to use full power, however, you always have such an option and you can use it whenever you need it. To sum up, because the injection force of Multipress is greater, therefore it allows to achieve success in cases where other machines could not cope. In my opinion, this is the most important advantage. Multipress is designed to efficiently inject all thermoplastic materials, taking into account a special acron algorithm. Acron or acronite is a special material with exceptional qualities. Its parameters exceeds all acrylic, composite and thermoplastic materials. However, in order for the acron denture to achieve the required quality, strength and the color, the necessary condition must be met. For example, the appropriate heating speed and the temperature in each melting and injection phase. The Multipress algorithm has been designed so that the formation of the acronite is perfect. Acron dentures can be made on the other injection machines, but it requires knowledge and practice. In Multipress, the process of forming the acron is automatic and ensures success even for people with no experience in injection technology. If you plan to inject acron and other modern materials, Multipress is the best choice. In Multipress, after injection, the piston does not move back, but still presses the material. At the same time, the furnace heats the material in the cartridge, keeping it in a liquid state, to act as a reservoir for the solidifying denture. During this time, the fan cools the flask to balance the cooling process. The faster we cool the flask and the longer the material in the cartridge remains as liquid, the lower the risk of contraction pores in the denture plate. Thanks to the heat and cool function, dentures gain a homogeneous structure and higher quality. The unique advantage of Multipress is the two operating modes. In continuous mode, the device slowly heats the material from the lowest temperature, which results in the denture with the less transparency and delicate veining. In the intermittent mode, it heats up intensively and quickly, thanks to which the denture is characterized by stronger color saturation, greater translucency, and intensive veining. Regardless of whether the technician starts the machine cold or starts when the injection machine is warmed up, the STS control system will start the program only after reaching the required standstill temperature. Thanks to this function, each injection is performed in identical conditions, which guarantees the repeatable quality of the next denture. During the entire melting process, the flask is heated and maintained at the appropriate temperature until injection. The flask in the Multipress system is fixed with clamps, so you don't have to waste time removing the screws. The difference in assembly is over a minute, and the time is important because the mold cools down with every second. It is worth remembering that its operation should be repeated 4 times. You gain almost 5 minutes for flasking one denture in Multipress system, which saves you hours of work per month. This is a measurable profit. When using the Multipress injection machine, you can use the convenient integrated cartridges or pour the material into the sleeves yourself. As Rocco produces the cartridges for all systems, you can choose the one that will work best for your lab. The Multipress is available for 1-inch, 24mm or 22 diameter cartridges. In Rocco technology, the choice is always yours. Multipress handling is reduced to a minimum. In everyday use, it is limited to the use of just one button. You can choose from 30 programs and operation of the device is fully automatic. Most injection machines do not have the protection between the flask and the injection sleeve. In the event of contamination, getting between the plate and the flask, hot material may flow out. Multipress system flask has a milling, which is integrated with the injection sleeve, which effectively protects against the risk of material leakage. A movable cover protects the user from the flask being unsealed. The cover is an absolute safety requirement, but not at all injection machines have it. In any injection machine, the piston may get jammed. If the user is not aware of the situation, the piston in the cylinder suddenly retracts and the device is damaged. In Multipress, the VRS system monitors the process and in the event of piston blockage, reduces the return pressure to prevent damage to the cylinder. On the other hand, in the event of excessive pressure increase in the pneumatic system, the safety valve is automatically activated, protecting the device components against the failure. Work safety is the most important. Therefore, the Multipress design protects the user in 100% against the consequences of any mistake. Multipress ensures the effective making of the dentures from all thermoplastics. It does not require ongoing maintenance and all active components have increased durability. For 15 years, it has been working in the toughest conditions in various parts of the world, which proves its reliability and durability. Multipress injection machines are recommended by over 2,000 users from 20 countries. More information about the Multipress system can be found at roccodent.com. Please contact the dealer of Rocco in your country. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.